Welcome to the world of Gelish nail art. In this tutorial, we will be creating a matte and glossy mixed texture nail design. Step 1. Complete your Gelish nail prep. Apply a thin coat of animazing color, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the 18G LED light. Repeat for full coverage. Cure for 30 seconds. With the mini striper brush and Give Me Gold, create two oval shapes on the nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Using paparazzi pose and a mini striper brush, paint two additional ovals on top of the previous ovals. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply Top It Off sealer gel. And cure for 30 seconds. With Nail Surface Cleanse and Wipe It Off Lint-Free wipes, cleanse the inhibition layer of the nail. With a mini striper brush, apply Structure Gel Building Gel over the pink ovals to create stone shapes. Cure for 30 seconds. With Nail Surface Cleanse and Wipe It Off Lint-Free wipes, cleanse the inhibition layer of the nail. Using the mini striper brush and Arctic Freeze, create the pattern design. Do not cure. Sprinkle Gelish Dip Tahiti Hottie, Take Me to Your Tribe, and shake it till you samba. Dust off excess powder. Cure for 30 seconds. Dust off excess powder and enjoy your finished look. Finish your look by massaging Norrish cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. Your Gelish nail is now complete. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.